In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape with an image in Canva. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen, even if you're completely new to Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a photo inside a custom shape, like a circle, a heart, or any of the fun frames Canva offers. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be a new design you've just created or an existing project you're already working on. Once the editor is open, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several options. Find and click on the option labeled Elements. When you click it, the Elements panel will slide open on the left. In this panel, Canva shows different types of design elements such as lines, shapes, graphics, and more. For this tutorial, we're interested in something called frames. Frames are special shapes that can hold images and automatically crop them to match the shape. To find them, simply scroll down within the Elements panel until you see the section labeled Frames, then click on it. The left panel will now display a variety of frame styles you can choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available frames. You'll see basic options like rectangles and circles, and also more creative shapes and layouts. When you find a frame shape that you want to fill with an image, just click on it once. Canva will automatically add that frame onto your design canvas in the middle of your screen. You can move it around, resize it by dragging the corners, and position it where you'd like the image to appear. Now it's time to add your photo. If the image you want is already in your design or in your uploads, simply locate it in the left sidebar. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click on Uploads in the left toolbar and upload your image from your computer or device. Once it appears in your Uploads section, click and drag that image towards the frame on your canvas. As you drag the photo over the frame, you'll notice the frame highlights slightly, showing that it's ready to receive the image. When you see that, just drop the image onto the frame. Canva will automatically snap the image inside and crop it to match the shape you chose. Now your image is perfectly shaped like that frame, creating a clean and professional look in just a few clicks.